When it comes to window installation, homeowners want more than just new windows. They want a trustworthy partner who delivers quality, precision, and long-lasting results. That's exactly what Alliance Homes Inc. provides. With years of experience and a dedication to excellence, Alliance Homes Inc. is raising the bar for window installation services, transforming homes and giving customers peace of mind every step of the way. Precision and craftsmanship at its core, Alliance Homes Inc. takes pride in offering precise, detail-oriented window installations. Their team is trained to measure carefully and install each window with a perfect fit, ensuring not only a beautiful appearance but also maximum energy efficiency. Proper installation helps prevent drafts, water leaks, and costly energy loss. That attention to detail means homeowners can feel confident their windows will perform flawlessly year after year. High-quality products you can trust. Beyond expert installation, Alliance Homes Inc. works with some of the best window manufacturers in the industry. Customers can choose from a range of window styles and materials that suit their tastes and needs, whether it's classic double-hung windows, modern sliding options, or even specialty windows for a unique design touch. These products are built to last, with durable materials and advanced technology that improve insulation, reduce noise, and stand up to harsh weather conditions. Customer-focused service. What truly sets Alliance Homes Inc. apart is their commitment to customer satisfaction. From the initial consultation to the final walkthrough, their team listens to your needs and helps guide you through the entire process. They communicate clearly, answer questions, and provide honest recommendations so you can make the best decision for your home and budget. That level of personalized care is why so many customers refer Alliance Homes Inc. to family and friends. Boosting home value and comfort. Installing new windows isn't just about looks, it's an investment in your home. Alliance Homes Inc. understands this and makes sure every project delivers added value. Modern, energy-efficient windows can lower utility bills and keep your indoor temperatures more consistent throughout the seasons. They also enhance your home's curb appeal and increase its resale value. With Alliance Homes Inc., you can be sure your window project will pay off in the long run. A smooth, hassle-free experience. Home improvement projects can be stressful, but Alliance Homes Inc. takes the hassle out of window replacement. Their team handles everything from permits to cleanup, ensuring a smooth process with minimal disruption to your daily life. They arrive on time, work efficiently, and treat your home with respect. Once the job is done, they leave your space spotless, no mess left behind. Setting the standard for the industry, Alliance Homes Inc. isn't just keeping up with industry standards, they're setting them. They continuously train their staff on new techniques and best practices, and they stay up to date on the latest trends in energy-efficient window technology. Their commitment to innovation and excellence shows in every installation, helping homeowners enjoy greater comfort, style, and savings. Your trusted partner in window installation. For homeowners looking to replace or upgrade their windows, Alliance Homes Inc. offers everything you need: quality products, skilled workmanship, and a customer-first approach. They believe your home deserves the best, and they deliver on that promise with every project. If you're ready to transform your home with beautiful, energy-efficient windows, Alliance Homes Inc. is the name you can trust. Experience the difference of working with a team that truly cares about your satisfaction and takes pride in setting the standard for excellence. With Alliance Homes Inc., you're not just buying new windows, you're investing in a better home for years to come.